Today, we go with the applications of this formula. What he says, suppose, um, first one, what I'm taking. These are two unlike charges. Separation between them r is equals to, take it as 0.1 meter. Okay. And the charges are each q1 equals to given as 1 micro and q2 equals to given as this is also 1 microcoulomb, but it is negative charge and it is positive charge, means unlike charges. Separated by certain distance. And here the thing is separation. They are able to move on the circumference of a circle with a certain speed. Means suppose this is one circle, they are able to complete. Consider it as one circle manner with the center somewhere here. This is the center of the circle. Able to move on the circumference of circle. Means suppose if you take one circle here, any shapes are there, circular shapes? Here, shapes. Yeah, they are able to move along the circumference of one circle line. Suppose if you take it as a circle. Okay. They are able to move. Means all the times if you join the two charges here, okay, they are on the circumference of the circle and the line joining them is always a diameter. Okay, suppose if it comes to this position,
then it will go.
Yeah. Second charge again comes to there, but it is again on the at the ends of diameter. Two charges are okay. If we are able to move on the circumference of a circle, then the question is, what is the velocity of each charge? Means its velocity means we generally draw a tangent on it. This is the velocity. Here its velocity also take it as v only, with the same velocity there. Okay, it is a simple question, Nana, nothing to worry. And these two charges are separated by certain distance means, look at, they are like unlike. They are like or unlike?
Unlike charges.
Unlike means the force will be attractive force.
Yes, sir.
So attractive force acts like this towards each other.
Yes, sir.
If you look at that attractive force, it is appear like a centripetal force in the circle. Okay. If that centripetal force is balanced by centrifugal force, that we know mv square by r. R means radius. Then they are able to complete the circle. Simple logic. Means here, that's it over. Then we will get the answer. It is equals to mv square by r. Here take mass of each charge. M is equals to 1 milligram. Okay. Directly you can substitute all the values done. Force means you know the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 9 into 10 power 9 into Q1 Q2. 1 microcoulomb into 1 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 minus 6. Minus 12. By R square.
0.1 whole square.
0.1 whole square. 0.01. Okay.
10 power minus 2, sir.
10 power minus 2. This is 10 power minus 2. And mass is 1 milligram.
10 power minus 3.
Minus 3, if you take it as 10 power minus 3, that is 10 power 1 gram. 10 power minus 3 gram.
Into
again 10 power minus, then converted into kg. Okay. In e square by
0.5, sir.
0.05. Means 0.1 divided by 2. Now I think you can do some calculation here. So after doing some calculation here, I got V equals to
212.132, sir.
uh,
212.132.
by doing some calculation. 2 point some 2 or 2.1. Okay, what? Yeah, no problem. 2 pence. Okay, meter per second. So understood Nana, how to solve this kind of model?
Yes, sir.
Right, over. So this is the first model what we used here. Applications one by using this formula.
Yes, sir.
And second one, suppose if I ask here, suppose this is the coordinate system, Nana, and here I place two charges. Okay, take each charge as some q. Better we say the answer in terms of q1. Okay, and like suppose both are positive charges.
Repels.
Repulsive force we have to find out. And here my question is, suppose the coordinates of first point is 1, 2, Nana, and second point is 3, 5. Okay. So these are the coordinates of first point and second point.
2 root 2 was a distance.
Huh?
Distance 2 root 2 also, sir.
What these two, na?
Yes, sir.
Directly you should not say the magnitude, what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Magnitude means mod r bar, you are saying that in the given question. Mod r bar equals to, root of
3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square.
5 minus 2 whole square is 3 square. What you are saying? I think root 13.
5 minus 2, sir. 3 minus 1, 5 minus 2, sir.
5 minus 2, 3 kada nana. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Means why don't you say that the separation between the two charges in vector form r bar equals to, according to mathematics, x2 minus x1 into I cap, 3
y2 minus y1 into
2 I cap plus y2 minus y1 into I cap. That is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 j cap. Okay, this is r bar. And here this is mod r bar is I am getting 30. Right. This is mod r bar. Then here I am asking the question, what is the force between them? F bar equals to how much? If you want
1 by r q1 q2 by r cube into r bar.
Better you take q is equals to, for calculation purpose, which is better, q is equals to each cube root of root 30.
Root 13, sir.
Means 13 power 1 by 4.
13 power
1 by 4. 1 by 4. 13 power 1 by 4. Okay. Microcoulomb. Calculation will be easy for you. Using the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by r cube into mod r bar. By doing some calculation, 7 into 10 power minus 4 into 2 I cap plus 3.
Yes, sir.
You told 6 point.
Yes.
Correct. Right. That is also no problem. So this is the vector form now to solve. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And here the third model. Suppose if you take, these are 2 point charges, Nana. Just taking as spheres, but consider they are point charges. Okay. Of charges, Q1 equals to, take it as 6 microcoulomb, and Q2 equals to minus 2 microcoulomb. Okay.
So attraction, sir.
Able to see, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Q1 is equal to 6 and Q2 is equal to minus 2. Means force is attracted.
Yes, sir. R.
R is not given, Nana. What he said, when these 2 point charges are separated by certain distance R, this separation, force between the two charges, let it be some F.
Okay, sir. And in terms of F lo kanukkolo, sir.
We have to find out in terms of F. Okay. Now, wait. Question is not yet completed, Nana. Now, these two charges are kept in contact for a while. Okay. And then separated. Okay. Kept in contact and then separated.
Yes, sir.
Separated to what distance? Separated to the same distance R. Distance I am not changed.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the force between them this second time? Equals to, take it as first time as F.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think, can I write F is directly proportional to Q1, Q2 now?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because 1 by 4 pi is not constant. R is also first time and second time constant. Same.
We can write, sir.
Right. After separating them to this much separation, I think you know, by considering in this chapter throughout the
F1 by F2 equal to Q1 Q2 by Q1 dash into Q2 dash.
very good. Where Q1 dash,
Q1 dash Q2 dash తెలియదు sir.
You know it. They are kept in contact and then separated. Kept
Q1
in
dash Q2 by
contact.
2.
What is the formula?
Q1 dash Q2 by 2.
How much is that?
4 by 2, 2 sir. 2.
Yeah, good. So that is equals to each. I think both you got plus 2 microvolt.
Yes, sir.
So here, first time what you said, F1 by F2 is equals to, means F by F2 equals to Q1 Q2 by Q1 dash Q2 dash. Okay.
F2 equal to F by 3, sir.
Right. And that to keep in mind, Anna, first time that is attractive force.
Yes, sir.
Now
This time repulsive.
means we have to say the sign also. Na? Why? Because both are not of the kind.
Yes, sir.
One is attractive, other is repulsive. So attractive force means I take Q1, Q2 as 6 into minus 2, minus 12.
Minus.
Is 2 into 2 plus 4. But negative sign indicates it is not the, doesn't mean F is equals to minus 12. Anna. F is 12 only. Negative sign indicates what?
They are repulsive. They are not like poles.
They are unlike. They are not like, and the force is attractive.
Yes, sir. Force attract. Unlike sir.
Unlike kada nana, 6 minus 2 unlike, the force is attractive kada.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anywhere nana, if you get negative sign in the force, indicates attractive force.
Okay, sir.
Positive sign, repulsive.
Repulsive force.
Right. Where in this chapter. Okay na? So you are getting F2 is equals to how much now finally?
F by 3 minus F by 3.
Right, minus F by 3. If they ask the magnitude, that is F by 3. So is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
See here, we used the contact method in this model.
Yes, sir. Contact
What?
force also.
Yeah. Two models. Means two concepts we have.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I move?
Yes, sir.
So here, likewise, we can find many applications, Nana, related to the force. Okay. Till now, how many charges we are taking here?
2 charges, sir.
2 charges. Okay. Means just 2 point charges separated at a distance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But here, what we are asking, instead of 2 charges, if I take 3 charges, okay, at the vertices of an equilateral triangle like this. Okay. Here, suppose take all the charges are equal, Q, Q, and Q. Separation between them, take it as some R. Means length of each side, I am taking it as R naught. This is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. And here the question is, suppose if all of them and all charges are like charges, either positive or negative. Okay. In this case, if I ask, if the force on any one charge, F on any one charge equals to how much? If I ask, okay, Nana? Then in this case, here, if I take more than two charges, Nana, any one charge, we have to find out net force. Nana. Net force means, look at, if I take this charge here, this is Q. Look at, these two charges are separated by certain distance. Nana.
Yes, sir.
The force is repulsive. Why? Because they are like repulsive means the force always acts, keep in mind, along the line joining, along this line joining, repulsive, so the force will act in this direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here the force F1 will act in this direction. Okay. So to avoid the confusion here, straight away I'm writing what is the magnitude of that F1. F1 magnitude equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2, that is Q square, by distance between them is R square. Okay, let it be F Nana, say. Okay, na? Now found the force between these two charges now. Am I right?
Sir, yes, sir. But
So here if I take them,
straight room, sir.
this charge means one more force is there between 2 and 3.
Yes, sir. You have to.
F2, that too also along line joining. Along line joining, again repulsive force. Repulsive force means along this line, away from the two charges, like this. Means will you get down or up?
Upward, sir.
Your force, Nana.
3 means 2 తీసుకోవద్దా, sir?
Nana, you are calculating the force on third charge.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Correct. And on the third charge means the force, this charge tries to repel the third charge.
Okay, sir. అర్థమైంది, sir.
Repel means it tries to go away from the second charge. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So I will get here downwards. This is F2. And this magnitude also I try to write here. I think I will get the same.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because everything same. Charges same. When distance is also
Yes, sir.
right. Means already I considered that is equals to F. So this is also equals to F. Why? Because I assume this thing is equals to F. Okay, Nana?
Okay, sir.
So look at F1 and F2 are having the same magnitude and they are not acting in the same direction, making some angle here.
Theta.
That theta is, since it is equilateral triangle, I know that angle, Nana. This angle is exactly opposite, equal to opposite angle. Opposite angle is 60 degrees. Equilateral triangle,
Yes, sir.
60 degrees. So I can find out what is the net force on third charge, he is asking.
Sir.
So net force means resultant we have to calculate.
F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 constant.
Very good. Sorry. Excuse me. And here F1 equals to what you said, parallelogram law of vectors. Root of F1 square is F square plus F2 square F square plus 2 F1 F2 cos 60. Okay.
You 3F, sir.
Yeah, finally you will get this is root 3 f. Where f is, you can substitute this value 1 by 4 pi epsilon q square by r square. Okay, Nana? Suppose you understood the method how to calculate.
Yes, sir.
If, for example,
Suppose
now
ಈಗ download ಈ towards right తీసుకోవాలి సార్ రైట్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అడిగితే అది అడిగితే పై నుంచి కిందకి తీసుకోవాలి ఈ పక్క నుంచి ఈ పక్కకు తీసుకోవాలి
correct.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Right. Here the question is, suppose if I change the question like same equilateral triangle, Nana. Yeah. Half side length r only.
Charges plus minus.
Charges want I'm taking two charges are positive, one is unlike. Okay, I am asking not on the like charges, Nana. I am asking what is the force on unlike charge. Okay.
Attracts out this.
Force on unlike charge. Okay. Force on unlike charge. I think you will get the same here.
Yes, sir.
Direction of forces will be changed.
Yes, sir.
You said attractive. It is correct, Anana?
Yes, sir.
And this is attracted by the second charge. I think it is also correct, Anna.
Yes, sir.
And these are equal. And what is the angle between them? 60 means already we solved it, na?
Yes, sir. Root 3f.
Yeah. Here f resultant is equal to, without solving, you can say root 3. Okay. Again, f1 magnitude will be same, f2 magnitude will be same, and angle is also 60 degrees same, everything same, you will get root 3.
Yes, sir.
But if I ask one question, force on any like charge, like means these two are like, Nana. So on these two, any like, suppose if I select this charge.
అక్కడ నుంచి కిందకి వస్తుంది సార్ ఒకటి.
Very good.
Unlike నుంచి towards ఒకటి వస్తుంది సార్.
So here I think what is the angle between f1 and f2 this time?
120.
So
Cos 120.
So here I have to substitute instead of cos 160, cos 120. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then f1
by 2.
Then root 3 f square plus sin 31 by 2 sir. Minus 1 by 2.
F square వస్తుందా సార్?
Yeah, good.
F వస్తుంది.
That is fr is equal to f. Okay, magnitude is exactly equal to f of each force. Am I right, Nana?
Yes, sir.
This is the force on like charge. So I think you understood how to calculate. Okay, even though the charges are unequal, then we have to calculate f1 separately, f2 separately, and substitute in this form of f1 square plus f2 square plus 2f2 cos.
Yes, sir.
Here f1, f2, that all cases whatever we solved are equal or unequal.
Equal, sir.
That's why while calculating the resultant, that exactly bisects the angle between the two vectors. Am I right?
Sir.
That resultant vector makes how much angle if they ask? 30 degrees with f. In this case, the resultant will exactly bisect 60. There also we say 30, 30.
60, sir.
60 resultant. Resultant bisects, so 30 degrees and 30 degrees with each force. Am I right, Nana? So these are the directions of resultant force in the two cases. Okay, keep in mind, if the charges are not equal, Nana, we have to find out. I think you remember to find out the direction tan alpha is equal to b sine theta by a plus b cos theta.
Sir.
Parallelogram law of vectors. Yeah. That formula we have to use. Okay. If F1 is not equal to F2.
Okay, sir.
According to the problem, you try to change. Able to solve another model?
Sir?
Able to solve these models here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Suppose here, how many charges will be?
3, sir.
If I take next one, more than 2, 3 means suppose 4, 5, 6 like means placed at the ends of corners of square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon like. Suppose if you take a many number of sides, in that case, suppose in this case particular, this is a square. Here all are again identical. I am taking. If I ask what is the force on any one charge, I think it is not so easy.
Left means right.
This is right word, sir.
Yes, sir.
One F1. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is okay.
3 to 4 downward.
Down. This is F3 I take. What about the second charge? You said the forces due to these two charges. What about the third charge here? I mean second charge here. It also applies some force. No?
Sir.
Some force means I think it is the distance. It is the distance between them. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
So along the line joining means repulsive force. I think you will get this. Am I right, Nana? This is F2. Now I think you can say the magnitude of F1 and F3 very easily by taking each distance, each side of the R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon q square by
R square.
this will be easy. And resultant of these two also you can say F1 and F2. They are exactly perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
Resultant exact I think bisects that. Very good. And I think you will get in this direction.
Yes, sir.
This is 1 and 3. So 1, 3 magnitude, how much, Nana, you are telling?
Root 2 F, sir.
Means by considering it as F. Right? What about F2, Nana?
F2 నుంచి 4 వచ్చి distance root 2, sir.
Then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by this distance is root 2r.
2r square.
2r square means in terms of
into 2, 1 by 2 అవుతుంది, sir. 1 by 2 F by 2.
Yeah. Okay. Now look at F13 and F2 are in the same direction or different directions?
Yes, sir.
Same direction means can I add those two?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, resultant is equals to F13. Okay.
2 F plus 1.
F common.
2 root 2 plus.
Yeah. What you are saying? 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2. Right. Good. Means root 2 plus half. Simply.
Yes, sir.
Good. This is the resultant force. How to calculate? Now you understood, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So, if you take more than 3, also I think you can solve, provided all are equal. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Can I move to next page?
Yes, sir.
Suppose here, if I take in the triangular model only, I think example 7.
Yes, sir.
In the triangle model, suppose I am taking 1, 2, 3 equal charges and 2 like or plus only. And a fourth charge is placed at the centroid. Okay, now this is the first. Then look at on the fourth charge, what will be the force if I ask?
పై నుంచి దానికి ఆటిట్యూడ్స్ కమింగ్ పాయింట్ నాకు సార్.
Right, very good. This is say F1. And I think here along this line, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Say it is F2. I think third one you will get along this line. Am I right, Nanu?
Yes, sir.
Say let it be F10. My question is, all the three are equal or unequal?
Equal, sir.
Why? Because distances are equal here, centroid to the vertex, if it is equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, equilateral triangle. Otherwise, these forces are not equal. Okay, and charges are equal. So what you are seeing here, the magnitude of F1 is equals to that of F2 equals to that of F3. Am I right, Nana? And here, those three are equal forces. Each, if you take it as here, here, all the three originating from the same point. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And that too, if you see here, all the three forces, okay, they're exactly, I think here 120. So look at all the angles are equal, all the forces are equal. So according to Lami's theorem, if the three angles are equal and the forces are equal,
Sin of f by sin 120 equal to.
all you will get f by sin 120 only.
Yes, sir.
F by sin 120, F by 120, F by sin 120 means you are proving that left hand side is equal to right hand.
Yes, sir.
But I am asking resultant. According to Lami's theorem, three vectors making equal angles and originate from the same point. In first year vectors chapter, what we learned, resultant force is equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because here all the three forces parallel to each other. If you draw here, first line, parallel to this force and parallel to that force. If I draw one more here, and parallel to this force, if I draw one more there, look at it is forming a closed triangle or triangle.
Close triangles.
Closed, that too in order or not?
Yes, sir.
If you form a closed triangle in order with equal sides, the resultant force equals to 0 according to triangle law of vectors in first year.
Yes, sir.
So according to triangle law of vectors or Lami's theorem, you can say FR is equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
Provided what, Nana? If the forces are equal. Yeah, provided. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. So this type of story, if I ask, for example, so you understood here, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just for convenience, Nana, suppose problem. Suppose this is one equilateral triangle. And unluckily here he said these two are like and this is unlike. Suppose this is unlike or like. I think in this case FR is not equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because if I place the fourth charge here, then this is
Attraction.
and these two I think will get repulsive.
Like that.
And here also along the line repulsive, you will get. Okay, so F3, F2 directions are not changed, but F1 direction.
Opposite directions.
So in that case, the problem is this is F1. Okay, Nana? And these two you are taking them as F2 and F3. Okay, F2, F3 resultant if you calculate, Nana, that you will get in the same direction of F1.
Oh, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is resultant of 2 and 3.
F2 3 plus F1.
Thereby calculating, your resultant force is not equal to 0. So F1 plus F23 is the resultant force you are telling.
Yes, sir.
So while calculating F1 or F2 or F3, magnitudes are equal, we accept.
But sign is different.
Yeah. There while calculating, Nana, my question, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square, how much you write here by taking each side as R? Means this is the distance between the fourth charge.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Better I take it as Q4 Nana. So I
sir.
take, wait, 1 minute please. Here I take Q into Q, that is Q into Q4 I write. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by here R square. What is the distance between these two, Nana? It's like in mathematics, the distance between centroid to vertex.
Yes, sir.
Do you know? Okay. Right. Why? Because in physics, many times we use that. Huh? Then altitude in equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side.
Yes, sir. Root 3 R.
And divides in the ratio 2:1. So here, vertex centroid, if you see, that is 2 parts of total 3 parts. Correct? So 2 parts of total 3 parts of the total distance root 3 by 2 into R.
Okay, sir. R by root 3.
So you have to remember in physics particularly, many times we use vertex to centroid R.
Okay, sir.
Base to centroid, that also you have to remember now.
1 by 3 into root 3 by 2 into R. 2 by 1 by 2 root 3 R.
Yeah, that is 1 by 2 3 into R.
Okay, sir.
So these two in physics you have to remember base to centroid, vertex to centroid. R by 2 3, this is R by root 3. Okay, now what I have to substitute on R by root 3 or R by 2 root 3?
R by root 3.
And while finding F2 3, Nana, what is the angle between 2 and 3?
120, sir.
F2 and F3 are equal?
Yes, sir.
Equal forces making an angle 120 degrees, resultant already you calculated here. So you can remember all these as shortcuts, Nana.
Yes.
Even this one also you can remember it as a shortcut.
Yes.
Equal forces, angle between suppose 60 degrees, shortcut is root 3f. 120 degrees, f. Okay, na?
Yes, 98, 45 here, root 2 plus 1 by 2f.
Suppose the resultant of here 1 and 3. 1 and 3, how much you told?
Root 2f, sir.
So these three are actually shortcuts for us.
Okay, sir.
60 degrees, root 3f. 90 degrees, root 2f. 120 degrees, f. Will you remember?
Yes, sir.
Now here 120 or 60 or 90?
60, sir. 120 of f, sir.
120 means here f23 can by write it as straight away equals to f. That is f2
Yes, sir.
or f3. Following my logic, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So this is, if the angle is 60 degrees, Mana, what you write here?
The angle is
60 degrees, suppose.
root 3, sir.
If the angle is 90 degrees?
Root 2f.
Right. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
And here, suppose if I take the square model, are you able to follow all these examples, Nana?
Yes, sir.
If I come, 4 charges are taken Again, take them as identical charges, like Q. Okay. And a fifth charge is placed here.
That diagonal.
Exactly at the point of intersection of diagonals. Okay, this is point of intersection of diagonals. Okay, na? And I'm taking here that is Q5, fifth charge. If I ask what is the force on Q5, you only think. So this is due to the first charge. And F2, Nana?
కిందకి సార్.
Alright, this is F2. And this is third charge, Nana.
Yes, sir.
I think this is F3.
Yes, sir. F4 వచ్చి
Right. Then look at all are equal, Nana, F1, F2, F3, F4.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because distances are equal and magnitude charges are also equal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look at forces are equal means these two are in opposite direction.
Yes, sir.
F1 and F3.
Yes, sir.
They get cancelled. Am I right?
అప్పుడు అన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి బ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోతుంది సార్.
Then net force on Q5 equals to how much you are telling? All are cancelled.
0.
Right. This is okay. Net force on 50 charge is 0. Okay, Nana?
Okay, sir.
And if I change one is suppose some negative, I think you can solve it.
అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Then we have to find out the resultants like this.
Yes, sir.
That I think you can solve.
Yes, sir.
Or else explain.
I will solve, sir.
Okay, good. No problem. Right? And here, Nana, the distance in that model, suppose is changed, one is unlike, if the resultant force is not 0, we have to find out.
Yes, sir.
There, how much you say this distance between any two charges, if you find any charge, this distance.
One by root 2 or 1 by root 2a.
Good. So you are taking, suppose line length is a, this distance is 1 by root 2a. Good. So this distance you are saying that a by root 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
You know that, so I think you can solve it. Even though if I change charge, you change one of the charges to negative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I'm not explaining.
Sir.
And here, try to understand here, Nana, whether you take 3 charges or 4 charges or any number of charges. Okay. If all are like and equal in magnitude, you see here that force on the charge placed at the center, every time you are getting 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Even here also I got 0.
అవును సార్.
So condition is they should be like and must be equal in magnitude. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is,
Sir.
suppose here this is one hexagon. Six sides. This is what like all sides are equal. A regular hexagon. Okay, all sides are equal. And usually I'm taking identical charges here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If I ask what is the force on the charge placed at the center of this hexagon, what do you say, Nana?
0, sir.
Kada.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is the last one charge placed at the center. But take how many charges I took here?
6.
Look at there.
No, 5. Okay, sir.
Means one corner is vacant.
Okay, sir. 6 అనుకొని చెప్పేసాను సార్. 0 అని.
Right. Suppose if I place the charge here, then force on the charge, say some small q at the center, F on small q equal
Zero.
to 0. You are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na? Now my question is, if there are only 5 charges and this charge is removed, if it is removed,
Sir.
okay,
Okay, sir.
then how many are there?
5.
5 only. Due to the 5 charges, what is the force on small q? If I ask,
Sir.
then try to understand the short.
4 బ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోయి ఒకటి మాత్రం ఉంటుంది సార్. ఐ మీన్
Yeah.
ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండేది బ్యాలెన్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది సార్.
Okay, okay.
లెఫ్ట్ లో ఫస్ట్ మిడిల్ సార్.
Yeah. Means you understood that here the force on that charge means out of here 6 charges, if I place 5 charges, you will get the force due to only one charge.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Force due to one charge means F is equals to F resultant. I have to write there. If one charge is removed now, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, I have to write Q, that to quite opposite, Q into small q.
By R.
That distance, do you know, Nana, if I take each side length as A, half of the diameter in hexagon?
Root 2 A, sir.
No.
Root 2.
No. Length of diagram is 2A, Nana.
Sir?
2A.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Why? Because
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this half of the diagram means this, that is A.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This side length is A. So distance between them, I have to write A square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So not only there, what I am asking, even in square also, if I remove one charge, Nana.
So then also same, sir. One
Yeah.
cancel again. Open on Q key Q for
Even here also. Okay, na?
Sir.
Triangle, square, or hexagon, or pentagon, anything. Okay, you will get only one force if one of the charges is removed.
Okay, sir.
Right. So this is a shortcut now. So no need to calculate the total F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, no need to calculate. Just equal to one of the forces.
Okay, sir.
Right. So here, suppose if I come to the next model, so I think you solve these type of models, many number of charges.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at in all the models, what the concept learned. One, force between the charges always acts along the line joining. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, along the line join. This type of force is actually called as central force now. If the force acts along the line join, that kind of force is called as central force.
Yes, sir.
Now ask this type of questions in statements.
Sir?
Statement type of questions. Statement 1, statement 2, they ask now. Statement A, statement B, A is true, B is true, A is true, B is false, like type of questions. The electrostatic between 2-point charges is a central force, say. Then statement A is correct.
Yes, sir.
Like that. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
And statement 2, it is always mutual. Is this statement correct or wrong? Mutual means what I am saying. Suppose these are two charges Q1, Q2 Nana separated. Force between them means, my question is that force only on Q1? Force between 2-point charges. Suppose you say 1 by 4 pi on Q1, Q2 by R square Nana. That force is, my question, that force is either on Q1 or Q2 or on both.
On both, sir.
Both means here what you have to say on Q1, since they are like, can I draw the direction of force on Q1 in this direction?
Yes, sir.
What I mentioned here.
Yes, sir.
This is force on
Q1.
first charge by the second charge. Can I write like this, Nana?
Sir. Yes,
Force
sir.
on Q2?
F21.
F1. So look at both are here, there, and they are in opposite direction or same direction.
Opposite direction, sir.
Opposite direction means can I write F12 bar equals to minus F2 bar? They are appeared like action and reaction.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
If I ask their magnitudes, I think you say same.
But sign is different.
That's why it is a mutual force like action and reaction.
Yes, sir.
So statement A is correct, statement B is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Two statement type of one question here. Okay. So here theoretical question is also open. This is question number 10. Sorry, 11. Okay.
Sir.
Here, these are two charges, Anna. Like charges Q1 and Q2 separated by certain distance, but they are not equal. Okay. If the third charge is placed in between them somewhere, I am placing here, Nana.
Ratio.
I am finding out force on Q3 is 0.
And midpoint, sir.
Not midpoint, at some distance. That distance only I am asking. What is that distance from the first charge?
Okay, sir.
Force
Sir,
equals to 0 means can I equate the force on Q3 by Q1 and by Q2 equal?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. We can do, sir.
Sorry. Do it, Nana. Suppose this is F1 repulsive by Q2. This is F2 repulsive force. Means since F1 Q3 is 0, mod F1 is equals to mod F2. Are you started, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 by 4 pi is not enough. 1 between these two. Those two means Q1, Q3 by distance is x square equals to 1.
Q1, Q2 by R whole square.
Not Q1, Q2. On Q3, Gada, I am asking.
Q2, Q3 also, sir.
Good. Q2, Q3 by R minus x whole square.
R minus x whole square.
Right. Now try to simplify, Nana. I think 3 get cancelled here. Okay.
Q1, Q2, Q3 by x square equal to Q2, Q3 by R minus x whole square.
Q3 also get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Q1 by Q2 equal to x by R minus x whole square.
1. I will go to next page, Nana. Next. I think what you are saying Q1 is Q by x square is equals to Q2 by R minus x whole square. Means can I write Q2 by Q1 is equals to R minus x whole square by x square?
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal, what you say? Huh?
Q2 by Q1 equal to R by x minus 1 whole square.
Take square root both sides. R minus x minus 1 is equals to root of Q2 by Q1.
Yes, sir.
Take minus 1 to the other hand.
R by x equal to
Root of Q2 by Q1 plus 1 separately. Then I am asking what is x. Therefore, x to the right hand. You will get left hand side R divided by this whole thing will come to the left hand side. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Root of Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir.
That x you assumed from Q2.
Q1, sir.
This is from Q1. What means? Okay. So take your numericals. Suppose, for example, if I ask just without using pen and paper, you can say the answer for this question. Suppose this is 1 microcoulomb, Nana. This is 4 microcoulomb.
Okay, sir.
Total separation between them is say some 12 centimeters. Where the third charge is placed from 1 microcoulomb, if I ask,
4, sir.
obviously simple. Means here you took Q1 is 1 microcoulomb or
Q1 1,
Q1?
sir.
Huh?
Q1 1.
That's what I'm saying. So that X you are calculating from Q1 means Q1 is 1 microcoulomb. If I ask what is the distance from 4 microcoulomb?
R minus X is equal, sir.
No need. You can take it as X. Which one? This distance is X. And you can take it as Q1.
Yes, sir.
Then you will get 12 divided
12 by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1.
1 by 2 plus 1.
1.5.
3 by 2.
3 by 2 by 12 by 3 by 2 also, sir. See, 8.
Directly you are getting the answer. This is 8.
Yes, sir.
Already you told this is 4 centimeters by taking
Yes, 12 minus
8 plus 4 how much?
4.
So you got the same answers or different answers? That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
And here, look at the previous page, Nana. The force on third charge is 0. Then that point is called as neutral point, Nana. What is that point? Neutral point. So when you come to numericals, instead of asking the force on third charge 0, they find out the distance of neutral point from 1 microcoulomb.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to remember that word. It is neutral point. Okay.
Yes,
Suppose that neutral point is formed in between the two charges or outside the line joining.
sir.
So here what we write, this is the distance of neutral point formed in between the charges. Formed between Q1 and Q2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last but not least, here if they are unlike.
Attract says to this, sir.
Wait. Attraction. Suppose if I take minus Q1 and this is plus Q2. Nana. Okay. Suppose if I place here the third charge, Q3. Now the net force, is it 0?
No, sir.
Huh? No or yes?
0, sir. From plus up to 0.
1 minute. Wait. See here. This is negative charge. Negative charge means attractive or repulsive between these two. Attractive means this is F1.
Yes, sir.
And look at these two on Q3 means Q3, suppose I am taking here positive.
Repulsive.
Repulsive means towards left or right on Q3.
Right.
On Q3.
Left, sir.
So you are getting both in the same direction or opposite direction?
Same direction.
Same direction means F resultant, I think you will get F1 plus F2 together.
Yes, sir.
Then obviously by adding two numbers you never get 0.
Sir, okay, minus 8, sir. F2 minus 8.
F2 minus settle అవుతుంది
ఏదో ఒకటి మైనస్ వస్తే జీరో అవుతుంది సార్.
ఏది తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పి. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ Q3. Why? Because these two I'm taking unlike.
Q3 minus అయితే Q1 Q3 కి రిపల్షన్ వస్తుంది
సార్. Repulsive. But what about these two?
అది కూడా సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్
మరి that's what I'm saying. So whether it is plus or minus, you will get F1 and F2 in the same direction.
Yes, sir.
Here and there. That when you take the third charge in, the net force never equal to 0.
Okay.
Then what to do, sir? You just do one thing here. Whichever the weaker charge, okay, suppose Q1 magnitude is smaller than Q2, weaker charge. Nearer to the weaker charge, you take one third charge here, outside or at the same point. Outside you take here. Suppose it is plus or minus. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So here I take this is Q3 and look at plus and minus.
Attraction, sir.
So attraction. And on Q3 I am asking. Due to Q2 plus and plus.
Opposite direction.
Now there is a chance. Why? Because you got both in the same direction or opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction means there is a chance to f net equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, mod f1 is equals to mod f2. They are equal. And you take this distance as r, that distance as x.
Okay, sir.
Then f1 what? How much you write?
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into r plus
q1, q3, 1
minus x whole square.
minus x. Here take, okay, the distance is x whole square. Okay, na? Separation between the two is x.
Yes, sir.
Now f2 is equals to how much you tell? 1 by 4 pi epsilon.
R minus x whole square, sir. మొత్తం తీసుకోవాలి సార్ ఇప్పుడు
మొత్తం this is r minus x.
అది ఈ పక్కన మైనస్ ఎక్స్ కదా సార్
Whatever it may be, means what you are saying, sir, this is 10 centimeters, sir, and this is 2 centimeters, sir.
10 12 sir.
Between them is 8 centimeters, sir.
No sir, 12.
So what I have to take here?
R plus
x whole square. So understand?
yes sir.
So look at here, no need to derive, Nana. Previously we got r minus x whole square, am I right?
Yes, sir.
By doing that here, r minus x whole square, r minus x square, minus, you got minus 1 here. Correct, in the derivation.
Yes, sir.
Now I think you will get here plus.
Sir.
Means here you will get,
Minus.
in the denominator you will get.
Yes.
So you directly, why don't we write x as equals to, with the previous knowledge, r divided by root of q2 by q1
Minus.
minus 1. This is outside or in between?
Outside sir.
Outside the line. Okay.
Yes sir.
So when you get outside, Nana, when they are like or unlike?
Like
So that you have to remember. The given two charges are unlike. We have to take this formula and outside. If the given charges are like here in this model, 12th problem,
we should inside
we have in between, and that is plus. Okay, na?
yes sir.
Plus, unlike minus. Will you remember these two shortcut formula, Nana? Good. That's it. So for today, I think we completed few models. Okay, Nana? All right, good. So will we wind up the class?
Yes sir.